morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Crypto Global market cap falls under 1 trillion as Fed rate rise. Following the announcement of tighter measures to clamp down on inflation by the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, the crypto market went on a massive sell-off. In the 3 days following the announcements, the price of Bitcoin tanked from 21 to a 1 month low at 19 after lying above the 20 mark for an intraday hike. The price of Bitcoin has fallen down to 19. A 3-day price chart for Bitcoin, while the entire crypto market was sucked into the bearish pressure. Ethereum is faring better than most cryptos after falling as low as 1 ETH, struck back to 1 ETH now. The 3 days price chart for Ethereum. The massive sell-off saw the global crypto market cap fall below the 1 trillion mark for the first time in more than a month. However, the losses cannot be compared to the 1 trillion wave of the US equities markets following Powell's announcements. Mr. Gox's creditor has denied the report that more than 3 billion worth of Bitcoin from the hack will be returned to investors starting next week. Charles Hoskinson releases updates timeline for Facial Upgrades launch. In a live-streamed video on Friday, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and CEO of IOHK, provided a new timeline for the deployment of the Facial Heart fork upgrades. Hoskinson explained that the development of the Fossil hard fork is going on smoothly. According to Hoskinson, the Fossil upgrade will take place sometime in September, unless the development takes a major slowdown. He added that there are currently no bugs capable of delaying the mainnet. Hoskinson expects that before the mainnet upgrade is released, Cardano's take hold. Operators running the latest one node should make up at least 75% of block produced and exchanged upgrade to support the launch. The Cardano founder said that when the goal of 75% and there to 5 of the major exchanges by volume have upgraded the Cardano nodes to the latest version. The date for the first upgrade will be announced. Why you should care? The fossil is highly anticipated as the upgrade will increase throughput, reduce fees, and improve the development of smart contracts and decentralized apps. SEC questions Grayscale over security status of 3 crypto trusts. Grayscale Investments LLC has disclosed that it has been fielding questions from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission between June and mid-August over the security status of 3 of the firm's crypto products. According to Reason, filing by the world's largest digital assets manager, the role of its crypto products still and Horizon might be classified as securities by the regulator. The SEC determines that crypto are securities, then Grayscale may put its trust involving their cryptocurrencies on hold. Grayscale said the decision is based on the facts as they exist today. Trust provides cryptocurrencies investment opportunities to investors and account for about 4 million, out of which approximately 1 billion in assets under management. The scale filing like the fast evolving push from regulators as they seek to regulate the crypto industry. Singapore is exploring restricting retail access to cryptocurrencies. The Central Bank of Singapore, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, is considering implementing regulation that will make it more difficult for retail investors to trade cryptocurrencies. Rafi Minan, the managing director of MAS, said at a seminar on Monday that retail investors seem to be irrationally oblivious about the risks involved in crypto. He confirmed that the MAS was contemplating adding functions on retail access to crypto. I guess that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.